In this video, I'm going to show you how to turn on voice directions on Apple Maps. So if you can't hear anything when you're using the directions on Maps, or you can hear something but the volume is too quiet, then I'm going to show you how we can fix these issues. So first thing is just to open up the settings application on your phone, scroll right down to the bottom and click on apps, and then scroll down again until you see the Maps application. Once you've found Maps, click on it like so, scroll down and click on spoken directions. And if you want to turn up the volume, we can select louder volume, and you also need to make sure directions pause spoken audio is turned on, make sure directions wake device is also turned on, and make sure directions on radio is also turned on and enabled. Once you've done that, you can head over to the Maps application on your phone, and now I'm just going to search for a random direction. And if I go and click on the directions button, then click on go, you can see on my maps we have this volume symbol. So you need to make sure this is turned on and not muted. So you can see if I click on this, we have the option to turn it off and mute it. So this is what it looks like muted, but we just want to make sure that it's turned on and enabled like so. And it's really as simple as that, guys. If you did find this video helpful, then let me know in the comments and I'll see you in the next one.